Removing sludge from storage tanks, vessels, and impoundments is just the first step in dealing with plant waste streams. For a complete solution, you need a service company that can safely and efficiently manage waste for ultimate disposal. That company is Evergreen Industrial Services. At Evergreen, we have the expertise to responsibly handle waste, process it on site to meet your specifications, and transport the remaining material to its final destination. We handle oil and water-based sludges from any source, including storage tanks, spheres, ponds, and impoundments. And we have the versatility to process sludge ranging in composition from 2 to 3% solids up to 70% solids. We manage waste to satisfy your disposal requirements, whether it's meeting a specification for dry solids or resuspending solids for delayed coker fuel. And we do it according to strict guidelines for safety and environmental compliance. Although every situation is unique, here's a look at the typical steps in an Evergreen waste management project. In this example, waste from tank cleaning is being processed on site. The objective is to produce a minimum of dry solids for disposal. Oil is recovered with a portion of the oil volume being reused as cutter stock to support the tank cleaning process. In the first step, material is pumped from the tank through a coarse screen to remove large debris. Next, a pump moves sludge to a mixed tank, where it is blended to form a more homogeneous mixture for further processing. If the sludge is hydrocarbon-based, it is blended with oil. If the sludge is water-based, it will be blended with a special polymer mixture we'll discuss in a moment. When a hydrocarbon-based sludge leaves the mixed tank, it passes through our proprietary treatmenst steam diffuser. The treatmenst uses 300-degree Fahrenheit steam to raise the temperature of the sludge to approximately 20 degrees below its flash point. This step enhances the effectiveness of final processing in a high-speed centrifuge. If the sludge is water-based, it will be blended with a special polymer that has been custom developed for Evergreen Industrial Services. The polymer works on a molecular level to change the electrical charge of the material. This causes fine solids to flock together, improving the efficiency of liquid-solid separation in centrifuge processing. For both water-based and oil-based sludges, the final step of processing occurs in a high-speed decanting centrifuge. The centrifuge amplifies gravity to separate solids and water with extreme efficiency. The dryness of the solids discharged is crucial, because the drier the solids, the lower the volume for disposal and the less those solids weigh. These are the keys to reducing your disposal and transportation costs. Making it happen takes not only high-performance equipment, but also highly skilled and experienced operators who know how to fine-tune centrifuge operation throughout your project. Here's how the centrifuge works. Liquefied sludge enters through a feed tube into a rotating cylindrical bowl with an inlet rotor that spins at speeds up to 2400 RPM. Centrifugal force causes liquids and solids to separate based on their mass. The dry solid cake drops into a roll-off box positioned beneath the centrifuge stand. Clarified oil or centrate flows over plate dams and out of the centrifuge bowl. It is stored in a collection tank where it is either pumped off as recovered oil or reused as cutter stock in the tank cleaning process. All solids and liquids, including recovered oil or clarified water, are tested to ensure compliance with customer specifications. For any type of sludge with virtually any requirements for finished solids and liquids, Evergreen Industrial Services is your solution. We have the expertise, equipment, and technology to reduce costs, save time, and ensure environmental compliance. For all your industrial service needs, the solution is Evergreen Industrial Services. For more information, visit www.evergreenes.com.